turn down the radio. I even turned down the AC for you guys. Here's some of that beautiful, oh, thanks. Whoa, that's a loud pop right there. I'm gonna roll the window down. There you go. Yeah. Hey! Oh, we can't reach. Oh, man. I don't know where Max is at. He went the other way. I don't know. Oh.
We don't know what happened to Max.
Your car's gone. He probably took the car and went home.
He probably did.
He probably did. Oh my God. Passing on the, whoa, that was kind of sketchy. Oh, here we go, unloading 3 Koenigseggs in a row. And we got one more. All right. Whoa, nice. Dan the man, always doing pulls left and right. Draken and the Regera. The RS1 is going back in the trailer. The show is over. We got the RS1 parked up right there. It's a father and son shop here. So that's how you guys do it, man. No transport companies. Do it yourself, baby. Well, guys, we began the vlog at a gas station and we're gonna end it at a gas station. Got some hydration, as James would say. Stay hydrated. That's exactly what we're doing. We got sunburned to hell. We are beat up and bullied. It's time to go home, guys. We got a long trek back to Los Angeles. We're gonna have to put this on timeout. We just got back, been editing for a couple hours. These cars and copter videos for you guys. Hard at work as usual, but we got the green light, the go ahead from our buddy in DTLA. We're gonna head right back out and let's just put it this way. Special surprise. You're gonna like this. Alright guys, it's currently 9 p.m. We're taking James's Audi RA. We're gonna head over to downtown Los Angeles for a little excursion. I apologize, it's really dark here in my neighborhood. There are no street lights. Let's open up the door. Oh, here we go. The inaugural ride in the Audi R8. It's so loud. Oh my God. Oh, we got the windows down. Yes. Dude. Oh, the downshift. Dude, this car is so damn loud. We're gonna make a right here. Right, yes, sir. And then we're gonna be meeting with a very special surprise guest that I will be showing you guys in a little bit. So we also got Graham Stephen behind us in the Mercedes. Make sure to check out his channel as well. We're at downtown Los Angeles. Clear sky tonight. The tunnel's right there. Yep.
Oh, that's us.
Oh, and here we are. We got the whole, oh my goodness. This is actually a pretty sick photo location. We got a pink Panamera. Oh, we got the whole squad here. The whole, I was not
expecting a squad.
We were not expecting a squad. Look at this chrome pink Panamera. We got the, here we go. The Laferrari with the FXXK exhaust tune. Somewhere in downtown Los Angeles. We're gonna hop in our buddy CLS 63. I'm gonna hop in the back here. All right. Here we go. We're gonna do a little preliminary scout run here. Make sure there's no cops, any suspicious activity or people. Tunnel, I had no idea. There we go, round 2. Oh boy. Just got dropped off quarter of the way in the tunnel. I had no idea how long this is. imagine a LaFerrari straight pipe with a tune. It's gonna sound like an FXXK down this tunnel right here. Holy beans. I think that's it right there. Oh, Jesus. Hurt my ears. Wow. That echo though, that reverb through the tunnel, holy crap. That's pretty good. That was pretty good. I like that. Woo! Oh my God. Oh no! Oh. Oh no! We gotta bounce.
The cops, right?
There's just one cop. Well, we're not really sure what's going on here. The cops pulled over the pink Panamera. Dude, got a warning. Lady Luck is on our side. Panamera got off with a warning, and well, Alex is gonna rev the car a couple times. What's interesting though is there's a receptionist right over there staring at us. Oh shit! Look at the guy inside. He's like, what the fuck is happening? Anyways, we're gonna be checking out Crazy Mike's hypercar collection and a very special Legos collection possibly. So quite excited about the Legos collection. There's the LaFerrari in question. Now this gas station looks rather familiar for OG subscribers. You'll recognize the spot. All right guys, we're in the dream room right here. Look at all these Legos. Holy shit, I grew up playing with Legos, and here we go. Every imaginable set, even duplicates, are here. Here we go. We got a train track. Got some dragons right here. Got the train tracks all stacked up here, and the Batmobile. That's a pretty impressive tumbler. And we got the Avengers helicarrier. Got all the Technic models, the GT3 RS. Holy shit, man. This is a very, very impressive room of just Legos. Usually you walk into an office like this with rich mahogany wood and you expect to see like books and papers and all sorts of old boring things. Nope, we got castles, we got a Ferris wheel. Oh, this is actually pretty sick. The dragon set. Of course, we got the ninja set right here. I don't even know what set this is. This is pretty cool right here. And let's see what else we got. We got the whole police set. This is pretty impressive. Oh, we got the Simpsons set. No way. Holy, oh, we got two of them. And the Quickie Mart. Wait, so I'm seeing like little boxes of 1/18 scale models. We got the Zonda R and we got the Frontier R box. So we're gonna check out some of the model cars that Mike's got in his house here. But holy smokes, all these Lego sets. My goodness, they got the architecture set as well. That's crazy. Of course, you got the DC superheroes sets. You got the city sets, the police sets. You got the bigger sets, the Technic. He's got 3 GT3 RSs. Dude, anyone that grew up with Legos will understand how sick this entire room is. So, guys, check out this model car collection. We got the 1/12 scale, Look Smart Bugatti Vision GT. Mohammed also has one. And look at these buttes. Peep the Gryphon, the Lost Koenigsegg. And oh, I have the 1-to-1 matte blue right here, but the prized possession right here for me is the 1/18 scale Veneno Roadster. I've been eyeballing that thing for like 3 months. I can't pull the trigger just yet, but maybe after seeing it in person, I think I will. And of course, we got the Aventador J underneath this box right here, but got the 2 sickest Lamborghinis ever made. We got the Veneno Roadster in all its glory right here, 18 scale, and the MR Aventador J in the similar color scheme. These are 2 models that I actually don't have. I have the Auto Art 1/18 scale Aventador J. I have one in blue and purple by a MR, but I'm not really too happy with the results. I need to get the red one here, and absolutely the Veneno Roadster, the Holy Grail. All right, we're gonna turn on the oh my goodness, that is bright. Oh,
But you always have to pull over and turn it on.
Yeah.
oh,
Why
okay.
don't you just have a switch or a remote?
I'm lazy.
Oh.
Something I need to do.
Yeah. So
It's
if
one of
there
my
you go.
many projects. It's on the
someone
list.
cut you off.
There you
why
guys
is that
have
on?
it.
Exactly. It's
Future
on my
mod.
list to get the remote.
A future mod, and it's pitch black here, guys. We're gonna actually head home.
Raise up.
You can't see it, but we're in the blacked out R8. Time to go, guys. Goes down. Here we go. Whoa! Burst of power right there. Holy crap, that was pretty loud.